Hello everybody and welcome to another video from LyfePal, talking about different ways you can use the social networking platform both personally and for your business. So my name is Beatrice Edwards, one of the founders of LyfePal, and again, any questions you have, put in the comments below, or make sure to go ahead and send it to contact us right here. Just fill this out and we will get back to you within the hour. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about starting a free business account. Okay, it only takes 10 seconds to sign up for a free business account. There are people on LifePal that want to know about your business. Create your free business page to help them find you. So my account that I'm using today, my Jane Doe account, is fully verified. Without a verified account, you can't do much. Okay, we want to make sure you're a real person. We want to make sure your business is a real business. So that's why we encourage this. We're not about robots or anybody coming on here and aggravating anybody. This is a nice user-friendly community and we want to keep it that way. So the first thing I'm going to do, looking on my left here, I'm going to go to explore pages. Okay, you click on that. Of course, you can look through and discover the various pages that we have here on LifePal, or you can look at the ones you've liked so far. Better still, on the My Pages you don't have any page, guess what? You can just push this green button and create yours right away. So let's say we want to name our page Jane Doe's Bakery. So we can go ahead and do that. Now you can name the page anything you want. As long as the name is available, we would let you keep it. So in this case, I want it to be Jane Doe's Bakery. Now once I click create, if that name is not available, I'm going to get an error message. It's going to go all red. And then, I would start tweaking it to make sure I find one that works for me. In this scenario, since LifePal is still so new, we're encouraging a lot of businesses to join us, so we don't have too many fancy names on here or redundant names. So right now is a good time to create a business page for your business and claim your name today. So for a category, I am going to go ahead and pick, let's see, food truck, okay? I sell out of a truck. Yummy food. And this information can always be updated, okay? Like I said, it takes nothing but 10 seconds to get signed up. Voila! lifeout.com/pages/Jane Doe's Bakery is up and running. Now keep in mind, any business that signs up with LifePal 2021, we will advertise you for free on our social media platforms, and that is on Facebook and Instagram at no cost to you. This is just our way of helping the community and encouraging small and medium-sized businesses to stay keeping that money in the economy. So again, this is just a simple way for you to create a business page on LifePal. It took us less than 10 seconds. Well, I would say 10 seconds. And on here, you can post about your business, kind of like you post on your personal page, photos, colored posts, gifts. I'm going to go ahead and post one right now. I am happy to be here. I'm happy to be sharing this information with you. Let's see. I'll click on happy. This is the one I want. And then I'm just going to post. And there you go. A simple GIF showing how happy I am, sharing this video with you, making this business for you, and hopefully looking forward to hearing from you, any feedback that you have. We are also on Facebook. If you're still on there, we are facebook.com/lifepal. We are on Twitter at lifepal.com. We are on Instagram as well, lifepal, and we are also on Pinterest. We're on YouTube. So again, you can reach us any way you want, any way possible. Invite friends to like your page. Share videos about your business. Share more pictures about your business. You can even create an album once you have multiple pictures in here. And like I said, always update your settings. You can change this to whatever you want, a user-friendly name, update your page information. You can add an action button. So right now there is none. So let's quickly do that. Learn more. Assuming your business name is, or your business website is my business website is Jane Doe's Bakery. So it will be www.janedoesbakery.com. I like this color. I'm going to choose this color. Oops. I have to put the HTTPS. Well, if this was a real website, I would just copy and paste into it. But it's being that it's not, I manually kept that in there. So here it is. So with the Learn More button here, since it's not a real page, it's not going to go anywhere. But normally you would click this and it would take you to the real business. Okay. So as a business, you can boost your page for more people to see. That would be a whole different video we can talk about. But you can add a profile picture. And this button all here also lets you add a background picture. So it is up to you what kind of picture you want to use. Let's see, I should have a generic picture here that I can use. Let me go to pictures, and I'm just going to go with a solid green background. Okay, so for dimensions, it has to be 108 pixel wide and 360 pixels tall. So keep in mind those dimensions when you're trying to put a profile picture, a background picture together. And let me try, oops, now for a profile picture, you can move this around to zoom in on a certain part of it and just hit save, and there you go. There's your first picture. And if you decide that isn't working, let me show you what I did here. I clicked on this button right here and moved it a little bit to the right, and I hit save to kind of streamline this a little bit more. And of course, it's going to let everybody know that I updated a picture on my page. Now I can always go and choose another picture if I don't want that one, or I think it's time to update my picture, or I can just delete it. So deleting that picture is not going to delete the fact that this was initially updated at some point. I can go in here and delete this picture. Turn off commenting for the picture, pin it, or just specifically boost this post. Okay? So once again, go into your settings, and there's so much you can do here. Add more information about your page. All the social media links that you have, you can just link them all. This is amazing for SEO and getting your name out there. We've partnered with Google to try to help businesses get their name out there. So this is a really, really awesome resource for you. If people that you're friends with that you want to make admins to help you with posting or sharing information, if their names are listed on here, you go ahead and add them as an admin or remove them if you decide this is not working out. We always recommend you verify your page. If you need information on how to do this, go ahead and contact me here. Or if you're out of business, I'm not doing this anymore, I've had a good run, you just simply go here, delete your page, and just like that, in an instant, your page will be deleted. You don't have to wait 24 hours or 3 days or 5 days. So please do not click this button if you do not mean to delete your page. Once it's gone, it's out of server. I will not be able to get you access to this page again. Any questions, please let me know. Again, you can reach me at beatrice@lifepal.com, or you can just go ahead and contact us here using the contact us button, and you will get a response right away. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video. What's on your mind? I would like to know. May your afternoon be blessed, productive, and happy. Have a good day.